In our fast-paced lives, meals have become a hurried affair, often devoured in front of screens or during commutes. We consume food without truly tasting it, our minds preoccupied with a multitude of thoughts. Mindful eating offers a path back to a more conscious and fulfilling relationship with food. It is about savoring each bite, paying attention to the flavors, textures, and aromas that dance upon our palate. Imagine the sweetness of a ripe strawberry bursting in your mouth or the satisfying crunch of a crisp apple. By bringing awareness to our meals, we can break free from automatic eating habits and cultivate a deeper appreciation for the nourishment that sustains us. It is in this space of presence and gratitude that we begin to heal our relationship with food and reclaim the pleasure of eating. Mindful eating, at its core, is about bringing full awareness to the experience of eating. It is the practice of engaging all of our senses, sight, smell, taste, touch, and even sound, to fully appreciate the food before us. Rather than viewing meals as an obligation or a distraction, mindful eating encourages us to approach them with a sense of curiosity and openness. It is about cultivating a gentle awareness of our hunger and fullness cues, making conscious food choices, and learning to eat in a way that nourishes both our bodies and our minds. By paying attention to our internal experiences while we eat, we develop a deeper understanding of our relationship with food. We become aware of the triggers that drive us to eat when we are not hungry, and we begin to make more conscious choices that support our overall well-being. The environment in which we eat plays a significant role in our ability to practice mindful eating. Begin by choosing a calm and quiet space where you can eat without distractions. Turn off the television, put away your phone, and step away from your computer. If possible, dine at a table rather than on the couch or in bed. As you settle into your designated eating space, take a moment to create a sense of ritual around your meal. You might light a candle, play soothing music, or simply take a few deep breaths to center yourself. Arrange your food thoughtfully on your plate, taking a moment to appreciate its colors and textures. By creating a dedicated space for eating, free from distractions and infused with a sense of intention, you create a sanctuary for mindful nourishment. One of the key principles of mindful eating is engaging all of our senses to fully experience the food we consume. Before taking your first bite, pause to observe the colors, shapes, and textures of your meal. Notice the way the light reflects off the surface of a juicy tomato or the steam rising from a bowl of soup. Next, bring the food to your nose and inhale its aroma. Close your eyes and allow yourself to be transported by the scent of freshly baked bread or the sweet fragrance of ripe berries. As you take your first bite, pay attention to the flavors that dance upon your tongue. Notice the subtle nuances of sweetness, sourness, saltiness, bitterness, and umami. By engaging all of our senses, we transform eating from a mundane act into a multisensory experience. In our fast-paced society, eating has become a race to the finish line. We often shovel food into our mouths without even tasting it, our minds preoccupied with the next task at hand. Mindful eating encourages us to slow down, savor each bite, and reconnect with the natural rhythm of our bodies. Begin by putting down your fork between bites. This simple act creates a pause that allows you to fully taste and appreciate your food before taking another bite. As you chew your food, do so slowly and consciously. Notice how the texture of the food changes as you chew, and pay attention to the subtle flavors that are released. By slowing down and savoring each bite, we transform eating from a mindless act into a mindful practice. We reconnect with the natural rhythm of our bodies and cultivate a deeper appreciation for the nourishment that sustains us. Our bodies are constantly communicating with us, sending subtle signals to guide our actions and behaviors. One of the most important signals our bodies send is hunger. When we are hungry, our stomachs growl, our energy levels dip, and we may even experience headaches or difficulty concentrating. Mindful eating encourages us to pay attention to these cues and eat when we are physically hungry rather than emotionally hungry. Emotional hunger is triggered by stress, boredom, loneliness, or other emotions. It often leads to mindless snacking on foods that provide temporary comfort, but do not nourish our bodies. Before you eat, take a moment to check in with your body. On a scale of 1 to 10, with 1 being starving and 10 being overly full, how hungry are you? If you are not truly hungry, explore what other needs might be driving your desire to eat. As you eat, pay attention to how your body feels. Notice the sensations of fullness as you consume your meal. By listening to our body's wisdom, we learn to eat when we are truly hungry and stop when we are satisfied. The practice of mindful eating extends far beyond weight management. It offers a multitude of physical, emotional, and spiritual benefits that can transform our relationship with food and enhance our overall well-being. One of the most significant benefits of mindful eating is its potential to reduce overeating and promote weight loss. By slowing down, paying attention to our hunger cues, and eating only until we are satisfied, we naturally consume less food and make healthier food choices. Mindful eating can also improve digestion. When we eat mindfully, we chew our food more thoroughly, which allows our digestive system to break down food more efficiently. Furthermore, mindful eating can have a profound impact on our emotional well-being. By bringing awareness to our eating habits, we can identify and address emotional eating patterns, reducing stress and anxiety around food. By embracing mindful eating, we embark on a journey of self-discovery and transformation, fostering a healthier, more balanced, and fulfilling relationship with food. Our relationship with food is often complex and multifaceted, shaped by a myriad of factors, including our upbringing, cultural norms, and personal experiences. For many, food can be a source of comfort, celebration, and connection. However, it can also be a source of stress, guilt, and shame. Mindful eating offers a path to healing our relationship with food and cultivating a more positive and balanced approach to eating. It encourages us to let go of judgment, guilt, and rigid dietary rules, and to embrace a more compassionate and forgiving relationship with ourselves and our bodies. When we practice mindful eating, we learn to listen to our body's wisdom, honoring our hunger and fullness cues. We give ourselves permission to enjoy food without guilt or shame, savoring the flavors and textures that bring us pleasure. The key is to approach these moments with self-compassion and to gently guide ourselves back to a place of awareness. By cultivating a healthy relationship with food, we free ourselves from the shackles of diet culture and embrace a more balanced and fulfilling way of eating. The path of mindful eating is not a linear one. It is a journey filled with twists, turns, and moments of both progress and setbacks. It is a lifelong practice that requires patience, self-compassion, and a willingness to embrace imperfection. There will be days when you effortlessly flow through your meals with awareness and gratitude, savoring each bite and honoring your body's cues. And then there will be days when you find yourself mindlessly snacking in front of the television, driven by stress, boredom, or old habits. The key is to approach these moments without judgment. Instead of berating yourself for slipping up, acknowledge the experience with kindness and curiosity. Each time you become aware of a mindless eating habit, you have an opportunity to make a different choice. Remember that mindful eating is not about striving for perfection, but about cultivating a greater awareness of your relationship with food. In a world that is constantly urging us to rush from one task to the next, mindful eating offers a sanctuary of peace and presence. It invites us to slow down, savor the simple pleasure of eating, and reconnect with the present moment. Each time you sit down to a meal, view it as an opportunity to practice mindfulness. Put away your phone, turn off the television, and create a calm and inviting space where you can fully engage with your food. As you take your first bite, close your eyes and savor the flavors and textures that dance upon your tongue. Notice the aroma, the temperature, and the way the food makes you feel. By embracing the present moment, one bite at a time, we transform eating from a mindless routine into a mindful practice. We cultivate gratitude for the nourishment that sustains us and deepen our connection to our bodies. In a world where food is often viewed as a commodity or a source of stress, mindful eating is a radical act of rebellion. It is a declaration that we will no longer take the simple pleasure of eating for granted. It is a commitment to savoring life's bounty, one bite at a time. As you embark on your mindful eating journey, remember to be patient with yourself. Celebrate your successes, no matter how small, and approach setbacks with kindness and self-compassion. At Balance Echo, we believe that holistic fitness consistency is the foundation of a healthy, balanced life. These tips will help you not only start your holistic fitness journey, but stay on it, no matter the obstacles along the way. Subscribe to our channel, like this video, and continue to explore Balance Echo for more insights on mind-body wellness, meditation, and holistic health practices. Leave a comment and connect with others who are on the same journey to a balanced life.